Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mom and I totally get how exciting it is to see your little one grows and hit awesome milestones. So, by 6 months, your baby is going some through major and seriously cool changes. Alright, they should be able to hold their adorable head up steady, roll over from tummy to their back, and maybe even do it both ways. How cool is that? You will also notice those little arms and legs getting stronger. Lot of babies love to push during the tummy time. It is like they are ready to take on the world. By now, most babies can sit up with just a bit of help and reach for the toys and switch stuff from one hand to another. These milestones are a great sign that your baby's muscles, coordination, and motor skills are developing nicely. Here, I am sharing a video of my babbling baby when she turned 6 months old. I am your Dr. Mom, and I'm here to support you on this wild parenting ride with real science backed love. Bye.